Hi and welcome to another Lightroom tutorial. Today we'll be creating this dark moody look, as you can see here on the right side. And this look fits perfect to images that include nature colors like green, brown, and I have applied this color grading also on some other images, for example, to show you. And always keep in mind that it depends on how your image is going to be. It is possible that you might have to do some final adjustments because maybe the image that you're using is a little darker than the ones I have used now. So please keep that in mind when you apply the presets onto your images. And yes, I would say we're going to get started with our color grading and achieve this nice dark moody look. So first we will start with the basics, starting immediately with the temperature. We will bring it up to 20. I personally always like to work, if possible, with straight numbers. I don't like so much the crooked numbers, but sometimes they have to be used. And yes, the tint, we will also go a little bit more to the green, minus 15. And to achieve the dark look, of course, we have to go down with the exposure a little bit. Like about so, I would say. And then we'll bring down the shadows a little bit to minus 10 and the blacks to minus 18. And of course, I personally always like to give the images a little bit of texture and clarity, but I would say that is more like a personal taste. But we're only giving them a tiny bit, like 15 and 10 for clarity. And of course we will bring down the saturation a tiny bit to about minus 20. So, and this is practically all for the basics already. And next we will go to the tone curve and give our image a little bit of depth by hiring a tiny bit the lights, like about 12, and bringing the darks a tiny bit more down to minus 12, and the shadows up to plus 12, about so. And this is how it's looking. It's not a big difference, but it is noticeable. So next we will work with the HSL, and we will start with the orange. We'll bring it down to about minus 55. And the yellows we will bring all the way back. The same with the green, all the way back to plus 100. And this is practically it for the hue. Then we will go down to the saturation and we will bring the orange down to like minus 36 and the yellow to minus 48. Oh, 49 is alright too. And yes, the greens we will bring all the way back to minus 100, and this is practically it for the saturation. And last but not least, the luminance. We will bring the yellows to minus 30, and the same with the green to minus 30. Right, and that's practically it for the HSL colors. We'll see. Yeah, it's a huge difference. We practically did everything now with the HSL colors to achieve this dark, moody look. And yeah, finally I would give it like a soft vignette. Nothing strong, only like a tiny bit to increase this like dark, moody look. And I would go to about -5. And it'll just give it a small touch. You don't see a lot of it right now on my image here because it is already a little dark on the edges, but if you use other images which are a little lighter, then of course you'll see the vignette a little stronger. And yeah, this is practically all. This is the finished result of the dark, moody image. And this was a quick tutorial. And I hope you liked it. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate, just ask me. And yeah, if you like this tutorial, hit that subscribe button on the bottom, not to miss any future Lightroom tutorials. And I wish you a nice day and see you next time. Thank you.